Lordstown hidden market cap. It's not what you see. If you think that Lordstown market cap is this, you're wrong. Watch this video so in the future you're not surprised that your expectations are not met. What is the real Lordstown market cap once the company is public and how calculate it? And we are going to find it right now. Hi, this is Fun Finance, my personal financial blog where I talk all about money, investing, personal finance. You get it. Don't forget to subscribe. So I guess you decided to buy another promising electric vehicle stock, which is traded under the ticker Dphc stock or Diamond Peak Holdings Corporation. How do you know if it is a good time to buy or not? You look at the price. No, not the price. Price really doesn't matter. What matters is the total value of the company, the market cap. As you know, on October 22nd, 2020, there will be Lordstown shareholders meeting, or officially, as of yet, Diamond Peak Holding Corporation shareholders meeting. After that meeting, basically, the company stays the same, but not the market cap. If you own Dphc stock, soon this will be RIDE stock. You probably know this already. You don't have to do anything about it, since brokers will have converted for you. And once the merge is complete, few days after, you will see that market cap is changed. Why do you always talk about market cap? Would you invest in the company with market cap of $2 or $20 billion? The answer is, it depends. Of course, you have to look at many other things before investing in a company, something like financial statements, market share, future growth prediction, competitors, management team, and overall trend for the market that this company is working on. But let's assume all those things being equal. Would you have invested in the company with the market cap of $2 or $20 billion again? Of course, I would go with the option number one, which is to invest in the company, all other things being equal, with the lower market cap, since you have more room to grow, so it can go higher and you have high potential returns in the future. Even just to compare with other electric vehicle stock companies' market cap to see how high it can go in the near future. Did you see Nikola went up from $10 to $80 a share? What was the market cap? At the price of $80, the market cap was around $35 billion. Do you remember what happened with HYLN? HYLN stock went up from $10 to $55 a share. The market cap at $55 a share was around $10 billion. And I had a video about this. You can check it out if you want. You see here the price per share does not give us any information about the potential of growth. So what about Lordstown market cap finally? I know that's the question you were waiting for when you click that like button, when you click that watch button. To find out, let's look at the investor's presentation. You see that the percentage of the ownership of future Lordstown public company is the following. Existing Lordstown shareholders, 48%. This is not us. Pipe Investment, 30%. That is not us either. This is GM mainly and other private investment funds. Then we have SPAC founders shareholders, 4%, not us. Finally, SPAC shareholders, 17%. If you own Dphc, this is us. What is Dphc market cap today? It is around $800 million, with the price of $23 a share. So by doing some simple math, $800 million, we are dividing by 17% and multiplying by 100, and we are getting $4.7 billion. That's the current market cap of Lordstown company after the merge. Dphc stock ticker will change to RIDE ticker. If the price of the new RIDE ticker stays at $23 a share, the market cap of RIDE stock will be $4.7 billion. Do not forget to like and subscribe if at this point you think that this information was really valuable for you. And how do you know if it is a good market cap or not? You can do a few things. First, check market cap of similar electric vehicle companies. We just saw that in a similar situation for Nikola, which went public recently through the same way via SPAC. Nikola up to $35 billion. HYLN was up to $10 billion. And Lordstown is around $5 billion market cap as of right now. I have to say that in this case, Nikola, there was a big marketing effort from their part, where HYLN almost no marketing was done. And this was the biggest difference, because in all other things, I personally think that HYLN is superior. But this is another story. So second, you can check traditional ways of evaluating any company. Usually we take how much the company earns, EBITDA, and multiply it by the industry average multiplier to get the value of the company. So we see all those calculations for each year, and it's projected to be at $4 billion company value in 2024. So we can probably go lower from current price, but do not forget that price per share has a bit different logic than traditional company valuation. It is all about number of buyers and sellers. So during the high period, we have more buyers and we have prices go up quickly. Once this period is over, we see more sellers. That is why you see all those fluctuations and all those price drops after the big news just passed, like merger. That is why we see all those prices went down after the merger date. And be careful, if you think that you buy a stock on the date when the major news that was expected was announced, that might be the local high. I would wait, and see at least all those short sellers who got their expectations fulfilled with the price going up, with the hype and everything short term. I would wait on this, but I'm not a financial advisor. You have to do your own research, of course. As you see here, the total market for Lordstown light trucks is around 600 billion. As opposed to HYLN full-size trucks, it has around 65 billion in this presentation, or if we take it from HYLN presentation, it was around $90 billion. That makes me think that right stock could go even higher than HYLN in its market cap. And right now, they have the same market capitalization. I will soon make another video about those companies that you will definitely like, so do not forget to like that video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. With that being said, thank you very much, investors, and see you soon.